Today, we will go over very nice trading examples. We'll talk about very simple examples to very complex ones with manipulation boxes. If you enjoy trading and looking for best trading strategies, you'll enjoy this video. If you are ready, let's do it. Let's go over multiple examples of different methods, starting with this nice AVAX example. Notice what happens below. Price sweeps nice liquidity levels with previous day low. Then the price powerfully reverses from that point, and it keeps pushing upwards and upwards, making structure boxes one after another with protected lows. Right here, you can see the small imbalance area which collides with an order block. This presents us a really nice entry opportunity. This could have been your first and nice trade to take. Let's imagine that you have missed that entry. If you follow the price action, you can notice the new break and structure box. This area gives you the next entry chance. All great, but what happened here? Let's make a deep dive. At some point in history, price reverses, and it starts to keep pushing upwards and upwards towards a certain direction. In this case, heading to previous day's high area. During this momentum, we witnessed some structure boxes and large imbalance areas to enter trades. As you can see, nothing complicated here. How about this example? Even a 5-year-old child can see this upward trend. Let's take a closer look at the final price action and discuss. What I notice is here an imbalance powered structure box with a protected low. Inside this box, we have actually inner box. You do not have to identify boxes in boxes, but it can help you to determine powerful entry areas like in this case. Here, this nice order block and imbalance area is an extremely interesting POI area. Also, the gathering liquidity above, a tasty target for me. You can easily build 2-hour setups here. Okay, let's assume that you have missed that trade and you have noticed this crazy break and new structure box with strong buyers. And from this imbalance and order block area, you decided to take your entry. I want to state this. There is nothing wrong with this trade. This is another example of perfect loss here. However, for this example, we have one issue. Look at the time. It is 9:30 a.m. in New York, the moment where the market went crazy. It is best to avoid trades right before NYO. But if you trade it, just move your stop loss to your entry point. We shall analyze this price action again in simple steps. This is an uptrending and strong asset. We determine a structure box during the up momentum. We found a very nice entry area and we placed the entry. All good and simple. But you have missed that trade and noticed a new structure box, taking the long trade from the new break. But you are unlucky today. You get caught in NYO madness at 9:30 a.m. Remember, market opens and economic news is when the market goes crazy. Always watch out these events. In this final section, I would like to talk about manipulation boxes which my masterclass students know very well. Again, we are checking the top gainers. You notice the RNDR coin. Two nice structure boxes, one after another. All good and simple up to this point. From this imbalance area, you have taken the long and stopped out, no problem. Then you have thought that market is broken down. Our next box is the bearish structure box with strong sellers. This time, your short trade stopped out and you go mad. This is where the manipulation happens and the manipulation box comes to life. Market makers take both sides of liquidity before its main move. Let's make it very simple so anyone can understand what I am talking about. You have noticed a nice upwards break and taken the long trade and trapped. Then you thought it is broken down. This time you are taking the short trade. You have trapped one more time. So, at this point, the market maker got all the liquidity ever needed from long and short traders. This is when we assume MM will move the market into a certain direction. It is actually a very simple idea, but the problem is seeing this very hard sometimes. Finding manipulation boxes on a chart could be troublesome from time to time. These are ultimate boxes to trade. Okay friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you truly like this, leave a comment and a like. Please take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care friends, manage your risks and stay safe.